Earning money online involves various methods, including freelancing, selling products or services, affiliate marketing, and creating content. Freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr allow individuals to offer their skills, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, to clients worldwide for a fee. Selling products or services online involves setting up an e-commerce store on platforms like Shopify or Etsy, where individuals can sell physical or digital goods directly to customers. Affiliate marketing entails promoting products or services through unique referral links. When someone makes a purchase using that link, the affiliate earns a commission. Content creation, through avenues like blogging, YouTube, or podcasting, enables individuals to monetize their content through advertising, sponsorships, or memberships. Other methods include online tutoring, investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies, participating in online surveys or market research, and leveraging skills in areas like web development or digital marketing for freelance projects. Successful online earning often requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to adapt to changing trends and technologies.